In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some really quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY wreaths. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny, and for this first wreath, I'm going to be using one of these 18-inch wreath rings from the Dollar Tree, along with one of these plaid scarves. But what I'm going to do is remove this yarn tassel from the end of each one of the scarves because I do not want that to show. I don't want it on the wreath. So once I get all of the yarn removed, what I'm going to do is just place the scarf around the wreath, and I'm just going to have it lined up, making sure that the fold where I'm going to add the hot glue to attach it is on the back side of the wreath. So what you're going to see me do is first I'm going to place the scarf down, and I'm going to flip the wreath to the back side. I just want to see how much extra scarf is going to be for the fold when I hot glue it down, and I want to make sure that it is in the back, as you can see. And then I'm going to flip it back over since I know how much I'm going to be folding over, and I'm just going to go around this entire wreath adding the scarf. I'm going to apologize in advance. I am still a little bit stuffy, but I feel good. The last couple of days I've been under the weather, but I feel so much better now. I'm just not 100%, but I do feel really good. So now, as you can see, I'm almost complete with going around the entire wreath. That was really quick and easy. And now all I have to do is flip it over, and now I'm just going to add some hot glue and tack down that folding scarf to secure it to my wreath. Very simple, very easy. I did originally want to create this wreath using the red and black scarf, but I could not find one in my Dollar Tree. So, but the black and white is perfect because I do have this color decor around my home and my coffee bar area, so this one fits pretty good. So I'm just going to continue going around, adding some hot glue and making sure that everything is tacked down. This is so quick and easy. The only thing I'm going to be doing is embellishing this a little bit, and then I'm going to be adding one of those holiday chargers from the Dollar Tree. This one is so pretty that I have. It's the most wonderful time of the year. So pretty. And it fit perfect. So what I'm going to do is just find my placement. I'm going to be hot gluing this to the scarf, not so much to the wreath ring. So what I'm doing is just flipping it over to make sure I know where I'm going to add the hot glue. And so what I'm going to do is just go in and add my hot glue along the scarf, and then I'm going to attach the charger, and then I'll go in and add a little more hot glue as needed. This is actually really pretty once you add the charger. Really simple, nice ass wreath. You can style this in your dining area, in your kitchen, any room. Actually, it'd be very pretty if you left it as is. But I am going to take a holiday pick that I got from Walmart for 97 cents, and I'm just going to pull the pieces apart so that I can attach them separate, and I'm just going to add a little embellishment to the bottom of this wreath. I really do love how this turned out. It's like a wreath sign, but it is so pretty. So I'm just using the greenery first and tacking that down, and I'm not using all of those pieces off that pick. I'm going to pull some berries off another holiday pick that I have, and I'm going to place that on here as well. And that is going to be it for this. And this is really simple. All of these wreaths in today's video are really quick and easy, but they turned out so pretty. So once I add the little pine cone, here is the little berries from another pick. And I'm just going to add some hot glue and attach that. And I really, really do love how this turned out. I love the size of it, and I think it is so pretty. It's definitely a piece that I'm going to keep, and I'm going to be hanging this up during the holiday season. I absolutely love it. Now I love hanging wreaths on all of the doors. I have hooks on all of the doors, the bedrooms, the bathroom, the garage door. And so I'm taking this 2-pack of wreath rings from the Dollar Tree. And then they have these little scarves. The material is so beautiful, and it has the little ball bells on the end, the little fuzzy um, white balls. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut those off because I really just want to use the fabric. I think these would be cute if you styled them as is, but I just want to use this really pretty fabric to create these wreaths. So what I'm going to do is just wrap it around the wreath ring. I'm just holding that in. I'm not going to start off with any hot glue. I'm just going to hold it and wrap it all the way around. And one of these scarves from the Dollar Tree covers one of these wreath rings, so that makes this DIY really budget friendly. And you get the 2 small wreath rings for $1.25. And these are so simple, but I think they are so pretty. Just for some little small wreaths. These would be really pretty if you add them to chairs or to your cabinets. I just think they turned out so cute. So now I'm just going to add some hot glue to tack down that extra fabric. And now I am just wrapping that second wreath. Now I'm going to embellish these using some picks from Walmart. Now Walmart picks are always 97.99 and they are so pretty. They're cheaper than a Dollar Tree, and you can just find some really pretty picks. So I have these two, and I'm just going to pull the pieces apart, and I'm going to embellish the little wreaths. I'm making sure that I embellish them on the sides where I hot glued the inner piece of the fabric down, since it was a little bit thicker on that end. So that's why I'm going to start there to cover that up. And I'm just going around embellishing them in like one little area. I'm not going to go all the way around. I think if you go all the way around, that will be really pretty as well. But I really love the way this fabric looks, so that's why I just wanted to kind of cluster them in one area. And so I'm only going to add one of these red and white poinsettias on this wreath and these berries, and then I'm going to start on the second wreath. Now with this one, I am going to be adding both of those poinsettias just to make this one a little different. These are so simple and so cute, just for some little wreaths to add around the home. And so what I'm going to do is just add both of these poinsettias. I love the little, I don't know if you can see the little glittery yellowish piece that came off of the pick that I'm adding right now. I'm going to pull another one off the other pick and add that one, and I just absolutely love how both of these wreaths turned out. This is the first one, super cute. I added it to one of the bedroom's doors, and here is the other one. And I just love how simple these are, but they are so pretty, and the material looks so nice. So this wreath ring, this green foam one that's always in the Dollar Tree, I'm going to use one of these, and I got this burlap fabric. I believe this is, yes, this is the one that I got from Walmart, and I'm just using it to cover up this wreath ring. I'm going to add some hot glue to tack it down. This wreath sign is so pretty, so simple. I really do love how this one turned out. So I'm going to take these fairy lights that I have. You can use any fairy lights. The Dollar Tree have some. I'm just folding it in half just because I don't need it to be so long, and I just strung it through the wreath. And now here's one of those little beaded signs from the Dollar Tree that I'm going to hot glue right to the front of this wreath ring. I'm just adding the hot glue along, and I'm pressing it down, and then I am going to flip it over and add some more hot glue just to secure this. I think this is so cute, and it's going to look perfect when I'm going to style it. Now I'm just going to go around it with the fairy light string, and I'm just going to add some hot glue to tack it down to keep it in place. So I'm just going around the beaded tray sign, just adding some hot glue to secure it. And once I get that complete, I'm going to just hot glue down that battery pack. I'm just making sure that I hot glue it where I can still turn it on and off and change that battery. Now the Dollar Tree have these window clings, and I'm going to use this one with the snowman and the lantern. I thought this would be perfect because I have the snowman theme in my little coffee bar area. And so I'm going to use some Mod Podge to attach it. I first started adding the Mod Podge on top until I realized that I need to add it under the window cling first. So I'm just going to go on the window, on the back of the window cling with some Mod Podge, and now I'm going to press it down. And then I'm going to go over this entire sign so you won't see any streaks. And that is going to be it. You can embellish this, but I absolutely just love it as is. Once you turn the lights on, this is absolutely adorable. These beaded wreath rings from the Dollar Tree are so cute and easy to decorate. So what I'm going to be using is two of these bells here from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to remove the tags, and then I'm going to attach these two bells together just by tying the jute hanger together. But I'm going to make sure that one bell is hanging lower than the other one. And once I get that complete, I'm going to attach it to the wreath ring. It's a little hook at the top, so I'm just going to string it on to the hook. And then it's longer than I want, so you can just move it up and down. And then I'm going to tie a knot so I can secure the length that I want the bells to be. And then I am going to use a pick from Walmart, another one of those 97-cent picks. I'm just pulling it apart, and I'm not going to use the red poinsettias on this one, but I'm going to use all of the other pieces. And I'm just going to start embellishing right at the top. I kept this really simple and neutral because I'm going to be styling this in my TV room, and I don't have many traditional Christmas colors in that room. Everything is pretty neutral because my Christmas tree is in there, and it's really neutral as well. It's really nice and pretty. And so I'm just going to add the rest of those pieces, and then they have these two little long branch looking pieces on there, so I pulled those off and just added those as well. And that is it for this. I really love how this turned out. So simple, and it's so pretty. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. And until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.